For the second count we're going to do this morning, again, just 3-minute counts. This one it's a pond count. So I'm down by my pond. It's the stupidest pond of all time. It's just a clay bowl. And I hope someday it fails and restores the hydrology of the wetland around here. But anyway, let's see. It is still May 7th. Okay, pond. My start time is 7:59. I hope you guys can hear a blue jay. Other birds around include least flycatcher, Carolina chickadee, American crow, indigo bunting, Carolina wren, even a painted bunting. That's the sort of squeaky thing off in the distance. And we'll see what shows up and what you can hear on the count. So we are ready to begin. And there's minute 1. We're now in minute 2. And now we're in minute 3. And that's going to do it. So there's our 3-minute count, and I hope you found some of these birds. So here's the ones that I found. We had, of course, blue jay in the plot, red-bellied woodpecker, Carolina chickadee, indigo bunting, American crow, least flycatcher, painted bunting, northern cardinal, American goldfinch, and right at the very end, white-throated sparrow. So we got a couple of those. And then as distance or flyover birds, there's mourning dove, Canada goose, and red-eyed vireo off in the distance. But just while we're here, let's pay attention to what we got.